Hey everyone! Did you know your Android phone is constantly tracking you, affecting your privacy and device speed? It's not just monitoring your apps or searches, it's even listening to conversations. Your phone collects this data by default, which can drain your battery, slow down your device, and run in the background unnoticed. Today, I'll show you how to turn off 3 hidden settings that are tracking you, so you can feel more in control of your privacy, save battery life, and speed up your phone. Let's dive in! First, let's tackle a feature that allows apps to monitor everything you do on your phone. Head to your settings, scroll down to Google, and tap on it. From there, go to All Services and scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Now tap on Personalize using shared data. Here, you'll see a list of apps that are allowed to track your activity. These apps monitor what you do, which drains your battery and slows down your phone. The solution? Turn off every app on this list. Just tap, tap, tap. Off they go. Alright, now that we've stopped apps from tracking your activity, let's move on to the next setting. Now let's look at Usage and Diagnostics, a setting that collects data on how you use your phone, like which apps you open and how often, and sends it to Google. Turning it off not only protects your privacy, but also helps your phone run smoothly and last longer. To fix this, simply turn it off. It's that easy. With this setting disabled, your phone will stop sending unnecessary data to Google, and you'll notice a boost in performance. But we're not done yet. There's one more setting we need to change. This last one is a big one. Go back to Google in your settings, tap on All Services, and scroll down to Ads. This feature collects information about what you type, search for online, and even listens to your conversations through your microphone. Turning it off helps you regain control over your data and reduces targeted ads. That's how to stop it. Scroll here and tap Reset Advertising ID. Confirm by pressing Delete Advertising ID. This will erase all the data that's already been collected. That's you. After that, you'll see an option to generate a new advertising ID. Don't worry, this won't track Don't Type before. By setting your advertising ID, you're cutting off one of the ways your phone tracks you. And that's it! With these 3 settings turned off, your phone will run faster, last longer on a single charge, and, most importantly, stop tracking your every move. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.